Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I'm making Grandpa a blueberry sandwich that is very simple and easy to make. This is a very old-fashioned recipe. People would make this when blueberries were in season because it was a very cheap sandwich to make. Now the ingredients are, you have to have some blueberries. I already washed the blueberries, and you have to put some sugar on them. Then you need 2 pieces of bread. I'm using white bread. And then I need butter for frying. And I have my rolling pin here. And you need a rolling pin. And I'm using my cutting board. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the crust off the bread. This is too good. Don't let the crust go to waste. You could use them for something else. Now you have to roll out the bread till it's flat. So see how thin it is? Almost paper thin. Put it there for now. Get the next one. Because I'm only making Grandpa one sandwich. Hopefully this will be enough for him. So I've got another thin piece. And now I have to put them together. Well, they're not going to be that even, but that's okay. Now I'm going to take a fork and crimp 2 of the edges. I'm doing this so the bread sticks together. Now I have a little bit of water on my finger, and I'm going to wet the dough a little bit, and then I'm going to use the fork, and then I'm going to crimp it, and this will hold the dough together better. And you only need a little bit of water, not much. Now I'm going to fill it with a few blueberries. I'm pushing them down into the pocket. For me, I think it's better. I think it's better if we do it one blueberry at a time. I'm not going to put too many blueberries in here because you have to crimp these other edges closed. So you want to have room. So to me, this is good now. I'm going to wipe some water on the bread, and then I'm going to crimp it, and that'll help it hold better. You want to be careful that you don't break the bread. I'm going to heat up some butter in my skillet on medium heat. The butter is all melted, and now I'm going to put in my blueberry sandwich. And I'm going to brown this on both sides. I'm going to peek and see how it's cooking on the bottom. Oh yeah, it's brown already. I'm going to look and see what the other side looks like now. I think I cooked it a little too long. Grandpa's going to taste it anyway. This is why you always want to have powdered sugar in the house. Okay, now Grandpa will never know what the underneath part looks like. Grandpa's going to taste this, and you could eat it any way, with a fork or knife, or you could pick it up with your hands. So how does it taste, Grandpa?
I'll let you know in a minute, Ma. Tastes very good. Blueberries inside, confectioner's sugar on top. It's like a Pop-Tart of today.
But it's much better than a Pop-Tart.
Yeah, it's a lot healthier, not all those funny ingredients in it. It's just got plain, fresh blueberries, it looks like.
How's it taste?
It tastes delicious, very good.
Do you notice anything?
Very crusty.
What do you mean, crispy?
No. Whatever it's made out of, got like a crust on it.
Is the dough good?
The dough is very good. Nice and soft. A little crusty though. It crinkles in your mouth. Yeah, you want to call it that, flaky.
Well, you liked it. You cleaned your plate off.
Any more?
Well, I'll make another one, Grandpa.
Okay.
We'll see if it tastes any different. I just made another one for Grandpa, and as you could see, it came out beautiful. What I did was, I first pressed all the sides down with my fingers, and then after that, I went over it with the fork, and it came out much better. And I hope now I fry it good. I have butter in my frying pan, and this time I'm using lower heat. I have it on medium-low, so let's see what happens. You don't have to fry it in butter. You can use whatever oil or fat you have. Well, I guess it was a success because Grandpa wants another one. I don't think this frying pan is the best because the butter keeps rolling down to the sides. Let's flip it and see what happens. And let's see what's going on this side. This side. See, it's not much butter on it because of the frying pan. Instead of staying in the middle, it goes to the sides. I'm going to flip this again to make sure I don't burn the other side. No, thank goodness. I'm going to try to cook it with the butter on the sides. Now we're going to flip it again, see what happens. Okay, that's good. This time that's very good. Still a little dark, but not too bad. I'm going to put this on a plate for Grandpa. Grandpa missed the sugar, so I added a little bit for him. How does this one taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma.
How does it taste, Grandpa?
Very good. Nice blueberries. Not too much sugar on it this time. Like I say, it tastes like a Pop-Tart. And it's the dough is very nice, easy to chew.
Now I'm going to taste a little bit of it. It's very good, but next time I would use another frying pan because there's not enough butter on this.